tomorrow. Ha, sumagot. Hello. Hi, Isai. Good morning. Yeah. I hope don't have rain tomorrow because we have planned that we're going to cook the arroz caldo, Isai. Yeah. And we have planned also that you know we will bring the arroz caldo therein. Ay, ate, musta tulog mo? Aba, alam mo ba, 2 hours lang talaga tulog ko, Isay. Nako naman talaga. Then, bring there in the place that there is too many, evacuate. Yeah. Oo, masarap yan. Oh, yun. Feeding program. Yon, tumpak. Feeding program. Yeah, tomorrow, Isay. Ay, after here, we will go to Hirap Makatulog o nga. After here in my office work, we will become compra there in the carbon in the market. Yeah. The ingredients and we will cook. I think starting cooking is 2 a.m. early in the morning tomorrow. Yeah. So that the arroz caldo it's hot when there are children there eating our arroz caldo, and we plan that we'll cook